everyone, today let's talk about something that's very important but sometimes people feel shy or even uncomfortable discussing. This is the reproductive health. It's not just about our bodies but also about safety, respect, and making smart choices for our future. So, what is reproductive health? It simply means taking care of our sexual and reproductive well-being in a safe and responsible way. It's important because it helps us stay informed, avoid diseases, and make the right decisions when it comes to our health, relationships, and future goals. But here's the truth. Many young people today face challenges with reproductive health. First, there's a lack of proper education. A lot of students don't really know how their bodies work because these topics are not always explained clearly. Second, we see cases of teenage pregnancies, often caused by misinformation, peer pressure, or lack of proper guidance. And third, the spread of sexually transmitted infections or STIs, which happens when people practice unsafe behaviors and don't take precautions. But here's the good news. There are ways to prevent these problems. First is education and awareness. Learn the real facts about your body and don't rely only on rumors or social media. Number 2, self-discipline and responsibility. Respect yourself and others when it comes to relationships and decisions. And number 3, health checkups and open communication. It really helps to talk with parents, guardians, teachers, or even health professionals you trust. At the end of the day, reproductive health is not just about biology. It's about knowledge, respect, and responsibility. If we take care of it now, we are protecting our future. Know your body, protect your future.